Hi guys, good morning or good afternoon whenever you watch this. Equities levels in general last night hit very important resistance, couldn't close above, so we're just coming lower really. That's the headline for me. And you can see here obviously the area in the S&P where we couldn't get above 32.30, 9th of June, also these lows. Could we come down to 31.04? Potentially. I think we've got a line in the sand now, and very often with these videos, they actually turn out to be almost a turning point. Certainly we've seen that a lot in FX. Could it be now? I think it could be. However, below 31.89, then yeah, we may well start to see a drift lower, and I'd be saying the next point is 31.67. But yeah, it is behaved well technically, we have to say. You know, got above there yesterday but closed below, and another false push early hours this morning. We're drifting down, so yeah, that's the key level. Would I blame anyone for being long now? No. However, let's just completely remove everything for the S&P. I could say I'd feel more comfortable being long if we can get above 32.07 to our target there, whereas if we obviously get back below here, then you know, these moves for momentum towards 31.64 could well be in play. Let's have a look over at the euro, because of course yesterday that had a test of a very key level, the 10th March high. Look at that, to the tick basically, and we also closed, I mean, bang on this level really. I wouldn't have fancied going long this morning, obviously easy in hindsight to say that, but we are drifting down now. Whether we can get below, I would say for the bears to be really happy, we'd probably want us to get below 113. But I think if we get below 113, we could actually probably drift down to 112s and just a bit above that as well. So key levels for sure to be aware of in the euro. I think people would look to load up again at 113. But below there, I think we get a quicker move down to 112.73. With the euro coming lower, the pound also doing the same really. So yeah, the pound again, you can see it's knocking on this door. The 200-day moving average is just a bit above here, but it's not looking to come into play just yet. So yeah, just a retracement really. I'm not really sure I would put it down to anything other than that, to be completely honest. It's just hit levels where you would expect some sort of support to come in. For the pound today, where could we find that key line in the sand where the bears would love it below? I mean, already down 50 ticks. Really, this is a good support area, around 125 handle, the low from the 8th. Good support on the 14th, couldn't close below there. Again, a potential trend line. So for me, that's the area where the buyers need to defend. If not, then yes, we can push lower with the first two rectangles being or three rectangles being target areas. Oil yesterday was really knocking on the door again of the gap fill from when we did push lower on the 6th of March. Let's just have a quick look how we reacted there last night. Look, you can see it was trying its hardest, but again, you know, couldn't close you know, significantly above all of that level. And while it's still knocking on the door, I think the bulls, you want it a bit higher up, sort of 41.50, 41.40, just for more confirmation. But you can see really starting to get squeezed here. Yes, it's not the most ideal trend line in the world, but as a bit of a guide, you know, these lows are still, certainly on the bigger picture anyway, getting a bit lower, aren't they, in general. Starting to maybe get a new one come in, so you know, short below here. I know it's a long way away, or long on a, you know, a definite break above $41 or so is how I'd look at that. Anyway guys, hope you'll have a great trading day. ECB of course out shortly, so something to bear in mind. Not expecting fireworks, but you never know.